In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website by enabling Hotlink protection on Hostinger's H-panel. This is an essential step for any website owner who wants to prevent unauthorized sites from directly linking to their images, which can potentially save your bandwidth and keep your site running smoothly. So let's dive in and ensure your resources are protected. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Hostinger H-panel account. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Hostinger URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the login section. Enter your account credentials, including your registered email and password, and click on the login button. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually an option called Forgot Password right below the login fields. Clicking on that will guide you through the steps to reset your password securely. Once you're inside the H-panel, you'll notice a dashboard filled with various features designed to help you manage your website efficiently. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. Here you'll find a section titled Security. Click on it to expand the options under this category, which helps keep your website safe from various vulnerabilities and threats. From the expanded security menu, find and select Hotlink Protection. This feature is a very handy tool that helps protect your website's assets by ensuring that other websites cannot directly link to your images and files. Allowing unauthorized access to your website's resources can lead to wasted bandwidth, which in turn could slow down your website for your actual visitors. Plus, it ensures that users view your content in the context you intended. Once you click on Hotlink Protection, you'll be taken to a page specifically for managing this feature. Here, you should see an option to enable Hotlink protection for your domain. Simply locate the toggle or checkbox that allows you to activate this feature and switch it to the on position. After enabling Hotlink protection, you might see some additional settings that allow you to customize the restrictions. These usually include configuring what types of files to protect or specifying any exceptions for certain domains. It's a good idea to review these settings as it gives you more control over how your content is used across the web. Finally, make sure to save your changes before exiting. This will apply the Hotlink protection to your site and ensure that it is actively working to safeguard your resources. By doing this, you're taking a proactive step in managing your website's security and performance. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Hotlink protection on your Hostinger H panel, shielding your valuable resources from unwanted usage and keeping your website running in optimal conditions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to enhance your website's performance and security. Thanks for watching.